Bye-bye.
DX land 007 on the Keystone State. 007 on the Keystone State. DX land.
Modify 357, all that shows right there. That just simply proves that 1, you don't give up. 2, you're a warrior. 3, you understand what's going on. 5, you respect God. And Lord knows you take care of your household. So I really hear that big mouth. 357, train driver, big old Carolina. Bye-bye-bye.
Keystone State. Sounding real good on the Keystone State. 37 Super Fine 1007 standing by reading the mail.
Hey, right back.
Didn't get you that time, bud. 490 Buckshot, I heard you. Come on.
How about you, Sam Powell?
Well, I got a lot of ears. Just keep that thing down and cover my radio. Hello, show me. Train driver, Carolina, right back.
Okay, I'm sorry. Excuse my...
I was rolling that, my friend, around the hall. You said 27 around the hall? How about that 20 driver?
Better 109. Yeah, better 109. You got a copy on 007. 007 on the Keystone.
All right, back to you, man. Virginia Killbilly 357. Oh, down, sounding some kind of wonderful, and happy Father's Day, no doubt about it. Killbilly, train driver, Wally, North Carolina.
Here, sounded good as you, like I said. Move me off the key.
No contact.
Back to you, Whiskey.
No contact on that one, Virginia. 007 on the Keystone State.
Hard to even talk about Wonder Woman.
Pennsylvania standing by.
That's 3 Bill. That's 3 Bill. 97. East Coast Delaware standing by.
Appreciate you bumping it back.
27, your Virginia Killbilly trying 357.
And that big old diesel wagon, Virginia, got down.
Anyone, 3 Bill, you sounded good up here in East Coast of Delaware.
Appreciate it, 27, 357. Killbilly boss. You smoke out west.
Hey, Copper, evening time, Flying Blade, West Virginia, waving.
240.
Triple A in the garden. Hey, Triple A up here in Jersey. Hey, man, hope you're having a good evening.
All right, 27, man, I do appreciate it. 357, Virginia Killbilly. I'm pulling the reins back on this old horse. I'm gone.
Yeah, but what about them over there? Mother Nature's coming in from every which way. Old Flying Blade on this short.
Come on, Whiskey.
289, Mountaineer Mall, setting back.
Hey, take care, man. Have yourself a fine weekend. What's left? And
Yeah, I was playing a harmonica with you. Sounding good out there, Whiskey. No doubt about it, brother. That thing sounds good, man. That rubber band, don't put a rubber band on it. Sounding good in Virginia, 357.
on my doorstep. You sounded like you was on my doorstep, man. I looked over to see who was outside. Hey,
2500, thanks a lot. Billy, waving right back to you.
Hey, Congo, Virginia, sideways now.
Hey, 10-4, man, we've been working on it. Old 26, man. You told me some tricks to do to it, and I've been trying it, working over the cell phone, and hopefully we picked it up. All right, Killbilly, Virginia, 357.
30 seconds, so old Skip's a bouncing there. All right, Triple A, take care, big brother. Bye.
All right, thanks a lot, my man. 357.
Grip 127 up there in New York. Hey, Pistol Grip 127 up there in New York. 388, Easy Money, Diesel Wagon in Virginia with the way.
Your pistol. Easy money. All right, 357 Tennessee, man. Hell yeah, brother. I'm glad I could hear you in there. Hey, 357 over there in 10, you're Killbilly. We're waving.